Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's video. So in this video we'll be talking about there is and it is structure in Urdu. So let's start. So in English we have there is or it is, like there is a chair, or there is a table, or it is a table. So it basically shows the presence of something within one's surrounding. But in Urdu, we don't have any filler word such as like there is or it is. So for that purpose, we just describe whatever thing is with the to be form of a verb. So there is a table will be a table will be. So let me write that in English transcription. So एक मेज and then is है, एक मेज है. Our table is, so our table and then is. So एक मेज is है, एक मेज है. So for to add something here, so we can describe something that is present over here or over there. So for over here we use यहाँ with nasalized n sound, and over there like वहाँ. So वहाँ nasalized n sound. So over here यहाँ, and over there वहाँ. One more thing, so you can say like this one. There is a table over here. यहाँ एक मेज है. So this over here will come in the beginning. So you can write here यहाँ एक मेज है. And similarly वहाँ there is a chair over there. So chair will be kursi. So वहाँ एक कुर्सी है. So when you want to ask something, ask a question in this situation, so in English you say, is there a table? So in Urdu, for yes no question, we use kya in the beginning of the sentence. So and the remaining sentence remains just like assertive sentence. So the sentence will be kya ek, is there a table, kya ek मेज है. So if you want to ask, is there a table over here? So you can say क्या यहाँ एक मेज है. Is there a table over here? So similarly you can use over there वहाँ, over here यहाँ, and while answering this one you can say yes or no. For yes you use हाँ, for no you use नहीं. So you can add, just like in English, you can add these sentences in the beginning of the sentence to reply. So is there a table over here? So you can say yes, there is a table over here. So हाँ यहाँ एक मेज है, और नहीं यहाँ एक मेज नहीं है. So that's it. That's it in today's video. I have made this video very short just to take it as an experiment, like what kind of video works for you. So let me know in comments if this way of making video is more appropriate for you and it helps learning Urdu structure, language structure. So Do like, subscribe, share, and if you are interested in learning Urdu, do contact. I'll be there for you. Bye bye.